Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to change the language in Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. If your browser opened in the wrong language or you simply prefer another one. First, open the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Scroll down slowly until you find the Language option. After that, tap on Language to open the language preferences. You will see the current device language selected by default. Now tap on the Current Device Language option. Choose your preferred language from the list that appears on the screen. Finally, confirm your selection and tap on Restart Brave. The browser will restart and apply the new language automatically. As you can see, changing the language in Brave Nightly on mobile is simple and fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.